Banana!
Hey guys, Mr. L here. Today on Monkey Doodle, we're doing a silly minion. All right, let's go for it. We're going to draw a large oval type shape. It's going to start somewhere in the middle of your paper, bend slightly, go around, and stop about there. So it's like an upside down U shape. Notice how it tilts a little bit. And we're going to leave a space open on either side, okay? And you'll see what we'll do with that later. We'll leave a space open here. And we're going to go down and up and around right there. All right, so that space is open too. Good. And this shape is for the body of the minion, which is sort of like, I don't know, like a Twinkie type shape, if you could picture it. All right, and I'm just straightening out this line here. Okay, let's see. Now, we're going to give our minion some arms. Let's see here. I'm going to make one arm stick out over here and go down. Minions have some sort of a glove, so we're going to make this line hit the body, come in a little bit further, and here the glove kind of bumps into the side. All right, so that's why it was open for that arm. I'm going to make this part come out and go down to the glove. All right, looking good. We're getting the shape of that minion going here. Again, it has like they have like a silly Twinkie type shape, and of course that color looks awesome, you know. All right, we're going to make this arm go up from here, shoot right up. We're going to put a glove over that line here. Going to make this finger shoot up like that, curve that loops down like a hook. Going to make a loop here and a loop smaller right next to it. So I think minions only have like 3 fingers or something. All right, little curve right there, little detail. All right, we're going to connect this long curve down to the body. All right, awesome. And let's see, this minion needs some clothes and legs, so let's keep going. Let's put a short line here and a short line here, short line here and a short line here. We're going to give our friend some pants, so we'll close the end of that shape. And we're going to make an oval type shape come out of it, and an oval type shape come out of it here, and loop back to the pants. All right, awesome, our minion has taken shape. Yes, now our minion needs clothes. So we're going to go with suspenders, which they love to wear. So we're going to come in here, and we're going to come in here with a shorter line, slightly curved. We're going to go up and go right over the shoulder. We're going to come up here and close it there. So it's like a long rectangle that shoots down. We're going to do similar here. We're going to go up. We're going to shoot back over the shoulder. We're going to bump it in a little bit and again back towards the side. We're going to put a button here and a button here and a cross inside of each of those buttons. We're going to make this line come up a tiny bit on both sides, tiny bit, and just kind of close it. All right, now our friend has suspenders. Put a little pocket stitching here, little pocket stitching lines here, short lines. Okay, we're going to do, let's see, a pocket in the middle, big U-shaped curve there, and we're going to put a symbol here. I guess it looks like a G. All right, something like a G. All right, now let's see, we need to put a mouth on our friend. So let's make him smile a little bit. And we're going to go down with a nice curve. And we're going to give them some funny teeth, because minions have funny teeth. Yes, they do. Alright, so make some shapes in there. We're going to make a couple teeth on the bottom here too. Yeah, they always have funny teeth, minions. I like that about them. And we can even do a tongue in the back. There we go. So a lot going on in that mouth. And for that reason, we'll color this hyperspeed later, okay? We'll make it black. Let's give this minion eyes. So we're going to do, let's see, right in the middle, somewhere around here, we're going to go out with a big circle shape and out with another big circle shape for goggles. We're going to make another circle inside of it for a frame. Or actually, let me see, inside or out? Yeah, I guess we will go inside of it. Yeah. All right, keep it thin all the way around. All right, keep it thin. Okay. Now we're going to do eyes. Our friend has nice eyes. Circle there. And circle here. All right. Doing well. Coming together. Our minion friend is coming to life. Now we're going to put some straps on the side here. We'll put a little shape here on each side. That's what holds the straps. I'm going to go right to the side and curve back. Right to the side and curve back a little bit. Here, go down a little bit, right to the side and curve right around the head. Same thing there. So it really just kind of looks like it wraps around. All right, we'll make a line in between for a detail. All right. And we'll give our friend a few hairs sticking out here and there, because that's what they have. Some short, some long. And minions are just super silly. I love them. Love them. All right. I think our minion friend is just about ready to be hyperspace colored. Yeah, color coming up, my friends. Go, go, go.
Hey guys, I think Babi is going to make some sort of a minion today. I don't know, let's see what he does. Hey Babi, wake up, let's do it.